Hello guys and welcome back to the Steve Tutorials channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to build an awesome Minecraft house. But before we get into the tutorial I want to thank our sponsor SteveVPN. Are you tired of being hacked? Are you tired of free Robux generators stealing your Roblox account? Then fear not, SteveVPN will help secure your online data. For only $50 a week, you can get the premium SteveVPN package. And if you use code SteveTutorials you can get 3% off. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Before we get started, let's start off with what you will need for this build. You will need 3 stacks of diamond blocks, 4 lime glass panes, 64 dirt, 2 chests, a computer to play Minecraft, a Microsoft account, 64-bit Windows 7 or later installed on your computer, a monitor, cables to connect the computer to the monitor, a gaming chair, a desk for your computer, an internet connection, electricity, eyesight, fingers, a brain, oxygen. Just make sure you have all of that and you will have all that you need to build this epic Minecraft house. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started with this build. To start off the build, you want to hold the dirt, and lower your finger onto the button on the right of your mouse like so. So guys, now that you know how to place a block, just follow along with the video and place the blocks that I place. Congratulations, you now have a beautiful Minecraft house for your Minecraft survival world. As always guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Buy my Steve Tutorials merch, buy my NFT, support me on Patreon, check out my OnlyFans, and check out my new album.
天上太阳红呀红彤彤哎，心中的太阳是毛泽东哎，他领导我们的解放哎，人民翻身当家做主人，咿呀咿自由呀呀自由啊，人民翻身当家做主人。